Welcome back to the Big Jakey account here on YouTube. I'm back. Every single Saturday at 5 p.m. I'm going to be posting on this YouTube channel. I'm going to be posting videos about my life, about Christianity, and about the shenanigans that I get up to during the week, and also UGC. If that sounds interesting, make sure to subscribe and follow along for the journey, because every single week I'm going to be here uploading a video. I would love to see you there as well. Now let's get into the week. We are getting the boxes in the car because we are moving. Heading off to the new house. Gonna put all this stuff away. We built the wardrobes this morning. We painted the room, got the bed. So pretty much almost fully moved in, which is pretty cool. I'll show you guys the new room and the new setup when it's all clean, probably sometime tomorrow, but you'll see that in the next clip. Let's go. Actually, no, we're gonna go play basketball at like 9:35, bro. Such a late game.
Well, I completely forgot to film last night's basketball. It was actually fully hectic. We lost about 3 points. It was probably the closest game we have ever played. We had it was honestly just like back to back points, and I don't even know what the score was, but we lost by a couple points, which was a shame. Anyways, right now we are just running through the emails from yesterday, and we have a couple of things we need to film today. Actually, quite a lot of things we need to run through today. We've got to redo a deodorant company for you. This is all UGC stuff, and then we've got hopefully 3 videos that I don't have to edit for a car company for UGC. They sell car parts. And then what else do I have to do today? I think that's it for now. Oh, then I'm also gonna have to, I don't know, post or film something for this, film something for this study Bible. Yeah, it's kind of all gonna be happening today. And then I'm gonna try to send a bunch of emails out so I can get a lot more jobs. So yeah, that's the update for today, and I'll check in with you guys a bit later. Have gotten the ring light set up, filmed this clip with that, and it's just going very, very well so far. We've got this video done. I also filmed another video. So I'm kind of been on a roll right now. I'm gonna export this stuff, get them over to the client, and then we probably have one more video to edit. No, then we're gonna go film some videos in the car, and then we're gonna edit them, and then send a couple emails out and call it a day. All right, so right now we are just sending a bunch of emails out to some brands that I screenshot because I got ads for them on Instagram. There are some of the brands. We also gonna send DMs to them as well as an email today, just so you know they get the message across. Pretty much today we'll be targeting drink companies, coconut water, coconut chocolate milk, like coconut chocolate water, soft drinks, all those kind of beverages. We targeted that today just to see if we can break into that side of UGC. If not, that's okay. We can target another side tomorrow. That is what I've been getting up to so far. I will keep you guys updated. I've already cooked, didn't film that. But yeah, that's what I've been up to. What up? Good morning. It is Wednesday the 25th. We're delivering some work that we filmed yesterday for Fiverr, which is exciting. Means some money, honey. And then we've got quite a big to-do list today. We're gonna do a bit of work for church. We're gonna turn some of my viral reels into carousels with a little bit more information on them. Edit UGC vlog that I filmed yesterday, and then also gonna start editing this video. So that's what the day will entail. Let's get into it, boy.
All right, hectic. I'm gonna give you a room tour. I was in this vlog, but I hadn't put stuff on the walls and it didn't look pretty. But now is the time for a room tour. Hectic. Let's go. Let's start at the place where I'm gonna spend most of my time is the desk. Keyboard, mouse. Then up here we got some more Spider-Man. We've got frame rates and like stuff for editing. Photo of Daisy and I. The whiteboard, April goals and to-do list. More Spider-Man. More cool Spider-Man stuff there. The necessities. Got a nice little wooden table, put jewelry and stuff that I can just grab and go. And then in here, all my clothes and cool stuff like that. And that is pretty much the room tour. Hope you guys enjoyed. Let's get back into the video. Also, a little update on all the UGC emails and DMs I sent out yesterday to all the coconut water and soda companies. Pretty much most of them have declined the offer, which is completely fine. Look, you miss 100 of the shots you don't take, and that really does not affect me that much that they said no. It would affect me a lot if they said yes, but look, you win some and you lose some. It's all okay. That's just a little update on what's happening. Oh, if you didn't know, I have a UGC deal with I don't even know if I'm allowed to say the name, so that's why it's bleeped out. Anyways, look at this fit that they sent. I had two options. This was one of them. I probably was gonna get the second one, but it was literally, this jacket was in black and it was out of stock everywhere. I couldn't get my hands on it, so I had to go to brown. But low-key, it looks quite nice. Now the bed is messy because I'm trying to figure out where I want my Spider-Man stuff. Probably on this wall, but I also need to put my whiteboard on that wall for all my brain Johnny. So we're gonna leave that for a later date. Right now, huge to-do list. Gonna start cracking. It's almost lunchtime, so it's actually hot as. Just have to put that on to show you guys the bed. I went for a swim and gym this morning. Didn't film the gym, there's the swim. And yeah, we got quite a few things we need to get done today. Trying to tackle them as quickly and as efficiently as possible. Yeah, man, let's do it. Right now on the way to my old house to pick up my e-bike, so then I can get around in Mona Vale a lot quicker, and I'm not using petrol because it's so expensive now. And I'll be able to hit the gym up a lot quickly and a lot more easily. We've edited so much, so I need this long walk so I can get my eyeballs fixed from being off a screen and off a device. So yeah, I'm excited for this walk. It's a long one. What up, YouTube? For me, it's a new dollar. It's a new day. What up, YouTube? It's a new day today. Friday, we've got youth tonight. We've got a meeting in about an hour. Right now, I'm currently working through my to-do list. We're at the point where I'm writing down my dream shots. I think there's some bits in life I just want to capture some cool shots that will kind of take my content to the next level, but also like videos and clips that I will enjoy watching in years to come, I hope. So just like cheeky little 5-second clips or like big long clips or videos. And yeah, maybe we'll go later and we'll make a big mood board and put it up on my wall, because I think, having visually seeing where I want to be in a couple of years and what I want to achieve, I think me visually seeing that will help me lock in and grind and get to be able to achieve what I'm seeing, if that makes any sense. So that's what we're gonna be working on today, and then we're gonna have a meeting about youth and stuff like that. So the Cyber's gonna be pretty crazy. It's 11:52 p.m. We're out here at the gym. Whole place to ourselves. Got the camera. We're filming a UGC video for Flex. Yeah, it's late. We're gonna go home. After this, I think I've got 1 or 2 more clips that I'm gonna get. And then I am going to head home and I'm gonna film a short video that I came up with yesterday night as I was falling asleep. I came up with a banger video idea, so I'm gonna go film that tonight because I need like a dark atmosphere for it. You see it very soon on my Instagram, but then tomorrow I'm gonna edit this video and post it. But yeah, let's go.